This is Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. Today is Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024. And right now I'm directly in front of the digital alarm clock, and 38.0 milligauss, 77.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Hope everyone will check out my new book, Vampires Dead or Alive. And it's also available in ebook on Kindle. My book, The Hayes House Ghost of People 2, is no longer available in print. The ebook is available for The Hayes House Ghost of People 2, and that's available at Kindle. All right, I appreciate everyone for watching.